Papyrus is a material similar to thick paper that was used in ancient times as a writing surface. It was made from the pith of the papyrus plant, Cyperus papyrus, a wetland sedge. Papyrus plural papyri can also refer to a document written on sheets of such material, joined together side by side and rolled up into a scroll, an early form of a book. Papyrus is first known to have been used in Egypt at least as far back as the First Dynasty, as the papyrus plant was once abundant across the Nile Delta. It was also used throughout the Mediterranean region and in the Kingdom of Kush. Apart from a writing material, ancient Egyptians employed papyrus in the construction of other artifacts such as reed boats, mats, ropes, sandals, and baskets. Papyrus is made from the stem of the papyrus plant, Cyperus papyrus. The outer rind is first removed and the sticky fibrous inner pith is cut lengthwise into thin strips of about 40 cm, 16 inches long. The strips are then placed side by side on a hard surface with their edges slightly overlapping, and then another layer of strips is laid on top at a right angle. The strips may have been soaked in water long enough for decomposition to begin, perhaps increasing adhesion, but this is not certain. The two layers possibly were glued together. While still moist, the two layers are hammered together, mashing the layers into a single sheet. The sheet is then dried under pressure. After drying, the sheet is polished with some rounded object, possibly a stone or seashell or round hardwood. So later guys, I am going to show you the finished product of this papyrus made up of this papyrus plant. So this one guys, this is what I've got as a souvenir from this shop.